Hi, dear my teachers. My goal was to become an expert in video editing. There was a motive behind this. One day, as a part of project-based learning, I asked my students to do a video-based project. On that day, many students told me that, "Sir, we don't know video editing, we don't have a very good professional laptop, and it's too much time consuming, so it's very difficult to do this." Then I found that reason is genuine. So I decided first I will become an expert in this so that I can help my students. Okay, so that's why I set my goal to become an expert in video editing. So then I set my goal and I decided to become an expert in this in 1 month's time. So in my goal, I decided every day I will study around 3 to 4 hours to complete my task. But once I start doing this, I become very much interested in this one. And around 7 to 10 hours, I started studying to become an expert in this video editing. I started not only studying only one software, I started studying many. So now I'm really happy. In the beginning, my task was difficult because there was no teacher, there was no proper textbooks. I was just using YouTube links for my studies. But later, I found it easy. Since there was no teacher, I watched many videos to understand the concept. And this gave me the chance to get many ideas and allowed me to think in different dimensions. I experienced as a learner, I developed and improved to a higher level. Now, I'm really happy because I not only just learned a new technique, but as a person, I become more confident and productive. Now, my job is become more easy. I can make more effective and productive videos in less amount of time. And also, I can guide my students and others to develop more. Thank you very much.
Hi, welcome dear friends. Today in this section, I will introduce you a very good free application for making movies using your phone. This application is KineMaster, and this application is available in both App Store and Play Store. So once you open this application, you will get a window like this. And if you are going to start a new movie, so tap the plus sign on the left hand side. Once you tap that plus sign, now you will get these three options. This is just for selecting the screen ratio. So I'm going to select the first one. Okay. And now the full storage is open to you. From here you can select the movies or pictures, anything that you want, you can add from here. Okay. And I'm going to select one particular picture for my movie. So I selected this picture as the first part of my movie. And if you want to add more pictures or more videos, you can go to the option that media on the right hand side. You can see media, just tap that button, and from here you can add more pictures or more videos into this one. Okay, so I'm going to select this video into my movie. So now I have one picture and one video. Okay, now the next important thing, you need to add subtitles into a movie. Okay, so where you need the subtitle, to that point you just move that playhead. Okay, that pointer you can just move just by just scroll it, that's all. Okay, so I need the subtitle in the beginning, so for that I have to move that playhead to the beginning. Okay, so here, now if you want to add subtitle, you can see on the right hand side the option layer. Okay, so tap layer. Once you tap layer, you can see handwriting, text, overlay, effect and media. So if you tap handwriting, you can subtitle, you can just write here. Okay, and if you want to change the color, that option is also there. You can change color from there like this. Okay, and if you want to delete it, you can delete it from here. Okay, now instead of writing, if you want to type, you can do the same thing. Go to layer, tap the option text, and there you can type. Okay, let it be welcome. Okay, now we can see your welcome is in the middle. So if you want to change the position, you just drag it. Okay, just select and drag it. You can change to any place. Okay, and if you want to enlarge it, you can see the arrow on the corner, bottom left, right hand side. Just enlarge it using that one. And if you want to change the alignment, you can see on the right hand side top that arrow. You can see using this one. You can change the alignment. Okay. Now with the text, okay, if you want to change its font, what you need to do on the right hand side, you can see that option, that letter, first option. Okay, so just tap that one, and from here you can select which font you want. Okay, so I selected this font. Okay, now the font change, and here itself again some tricks you can do if you want outline for this text. So for that you just move this one, go down, you can see outline. Okay, so you can check each option. Okay, I'm not going to explain each one in this part. If you want, I will explain it in another video. Okay, so I'm just going to select this outline and just enable outline. Okay, now the outline is enabled, and the outline thickness, if you want to change, you can see the option weight. Okay, see, like this you can change the outline. Okay, so in this movie I added a subtitle, welcome. Okay, and now if you want a background music for this one, okay, that also you can do from here. So for that you have to go to the option audio. Okay, so tap the button audio. Now the full music file is open to you, and from here I'm going to select this file. Okay, and once you select that music file, you can listen to that music, and if you want to add that one, tap that plus sign there. Okay, now the music file is added as a background music. Okay, and if you want to check the work that you have done, just go back and tap the play button. See, now our work is like this. But you can see now one problem with this. After this picture, that video is, the video is starting at the point 4 point. The time is 4.6 seconds. That video will start. But at that time also that background music is there. So if you want to cut that background music at that point, so just move that playhead, that pointer to that point, and then you have to select that music track. Okay, I'm going to select that one. Now on the right hand side, just go down, you can see trim. Okay, once you select trim, you can see three options: trim to the left, trim to the right. So actually I have to trim to the right. Okay, so I'm going to select trim to the right. So now that music track is gone. Okay, music track is only in the beginning. Now again options are there with this with this you can change the music track position like just dragging it like this. Okay, with this, if you want to add or you have to record your sound, so for that what you need to do, you can see the option that voice. Okay, so there you just tap voice, and before you start recording your sound, you have to tap the button start. So I'm going to do that one. Welcome dear friends. So now we can check the work. Okay, your track, that the recorded sound is coming in the purple color. Okay, and see, just play the button. Welcome dear friends. And with this soundtrack, if you want to produce any effect, so just select that soundtrack, and you can see voice changer, reverb. So all options are there. So which one you want, that you can select. Okay, so if I'm going to select the first option, this is okay, and I'm going to select, for example, echo room. Welcome dear friends. So how the effect change. Okay, now another important feature. See, we are going to this movie. Okay, if you want in some cases you want to repeat the same video. Okay, so for that what you have to do, once you just select that video, and on the left hand side you can see, left hand side top, there are three dots. Just tap that one. There you can see duplicate. So if I tap duplicate, the same video is again repeated. And this I will show you, and a very interesting feature with this. Okay, suppose you can see in in horror movies and all, they will show some tricks. Okay, that simple trick I will show you. This will be applicable when you do lab and all. This will be useful. Okay, I'm just going to reverse this video. Okay, so for that I just want to select that video. Now you can see on the right hand side reverse. Now they are reversing that video. They will show the video in the reverse order. Okay, see, you can just select. Now you just play it. See, And now if you want to see this in the slow motion, so what you need to do, just select that video. You can see the option speed, tap speed, and to the right it is, like, it will increase the speed. If you move to the left, it will decrease the speed. Okay, so I'm just placing it here and just play. Now you can see the video is in slow motion. And suppose if you want, if you don't want this first part, you want only the last part, okay, the letter going up, okay, from here. So the remaining part you can trim. How? Just place the playhead over there. Then you have to select that video clip. Then tap trim. You can see trim to the left of playhead. See, now I trimmed that part. Okay. Now how you can check how your work is there. Now another important feature, see, for example, here in this picture or this video, if you want to show another video or picture on the background of it, that also you can do. So for that, where you need the picture or video, just place the playhead over there. Okay, so for example, from here onwards, I need another picture on its background. Okay, so I place the playhead over here. Now I am going to select the option layer. And from this layer, go to the option media. Once again, if you want to show something on the background, okay, like, in that case, you have to go to media from layer. Don't go directly to media, okay? So once again, I will show you. You have to go to layer, and from there, you have to go to media. And now I am going to add another picture or another video on its background, okay? So let me select one video from here. Let this be the video, okay? Now we can see this video is with this first part, okay? And if you want to, same like before, if you want to change the size, you can change it like this, okay? And if you want to change the position, you can change it like this. See. And now, again, you can see one problem is there. The sound of this, the main video and this, the video that is playing on the background, both are playing. So that is not good for our thing. So in that case, how can you cut that sound? Okay, so for that, we just select that track. Okay, that one is coming here. So I selected that one. Now we can see on the right hand side, that speaker sign we can see. Just tap that one. And here, if you want to reduce that sound, you can reduce the sound like this. Or if you want to mute that one, okay. So now that audio is muted. See now how it's showing. Welcome, dear friends. And now at the end, see, once you finish the video, maybe you have to show something like thank you or something. So how to do that one? You know how to add subtitles or like, the end slide. I go to layer. I have to tap the option text. Okay, and I'm going to write thank you. See, now the remaining adjustments you can do. See, this thank you is there. And let me check whether it is playing or not. See, you can see the thank you is there, but it's not playing. Why? Because this thank you is coming as a layer, and on the look at the main video. The main video finishes at 16 seconds. So you need something over there. Then only it will show. So then what you can do, since you finish the video, you can add a background over there. Okay, so that's the best thing you can do. So in that case, you can go to media, and you can see background. And background you can select like this background. Anything that you can want, that you can select from there. That thing is there. And instead of this picture, if you want to show your picture, that also you can show. Okay. See now the background is there. See now how our video is playing. Thank you. And here also the same thing. If you want to record your sound, that also you can do. Same like before. I'm just showing. Okay. Here going to start the recording. Okay. Thank you for listening to me, my dear friends. And if you want to create any sound effect, just do that one. You can see reverb. Like for example, I'm going to select this option, okay? And see. Thank you for listening to me, my dear friends. See now our project finished, okay? So today we did how to add pictures and videos to our project, and how to add subtitles, how to add sound effects, okay. And how to show picture in picture mode. Picture in picture mode means you can see one picture on one picture here, and on its background I'm showing another picture or another video, okay. And if you want any clarification, you can I will explain it on the next video, okay. Thank you.